What if I told you that your favorite Friday night pizza might be dirtier than a public restroom? That the cheese you're eating isn't even real, and that one of America's biggest pizza chains was recently caught using expired sauce? Stay tuned, because in this EatFrame investigation, we re-exposing 4 of the biggest pizza chains in the United States that you should never trust again, and 2 that are still safe to eat. Warning: after this video, you might never look at pizza the same way again. In America, pizza isn't just food, it's family night. It's Friday evenings after work, the Super Bowl, or a quick bite after a long day. But behind that warm, cheesy slice is a story most people never hear. Hygiene violations, synthetic ingredients, corporate cost-cutting that puts profits over people. We dug through health inspection reports, franchise reviews, and employee statements, and what we found was nothing short of shocking. So grab your seat, maybe not your slice, because we're diving deep into the dark side of America's favorite food. Let's start with Pizza Hut, once the king of family dining. Remember the red roofs, the sit-down booths, and that old salad bar? Those days are gone. Across multiple U.S. states, Pizza Hut has scored an average cleanliness grade below 75, one of the lowest among any major pizza brand. Health inspectors have reported rodent activity, improper food storage, and even expired sauce being used in customer orders. And insiders say the reason is simple: corporate cost-cutting. Yum! Brands, the company behind Pizza Hut, has slashed budgets and staff to the bone. One former manager told us, "We had to reuse sauce from the night before because corporate didn't wait to approve new stock." Pizza Hut's slogan used to be, "No one out-pizzas the hut." These days, it feels more like, "No one outgrosses the hut." Once a symbol of comfort, now a cautionary tale of what happens when business beats quality. Next up, Papa John's, the chain that proudly claimed better ingredients, better pizza. But that promise? It's hanging by a thread. In recent years, Papa John's has been on a wild ride of rapid product launches and quick cancellations, stuffed crusts, flatbreads, papadillas, and half of them vanish before the next season. Employees say the constant recipe changes have turned kitchens into chaos. Consistency is gone, and so is the quality. Investigations show that Papa John's now uses cheaper meats filled with binders and fillers, and lower-grade cheese substitutes. Add in the founder scandals and corporate shakeups, and what you get is confusion, both inside and out. Customers are noticing too. Reviews describe greasy crusts, rubbery cheese, and what one person called that fake fresh taste. Papa John's used to be the go-to for family game nights. Now it's the definition of corporate chaos, baked at 450 degrees. And then there's Domino's. Domino's built its empire on speed. 30 minutes or less. That was the promise that changed American delivery forever. But somewhere along the way, speed replaced quality. Domino's now runs on a massive global supply chain designed not for freshness, but for shelf life. Ingredients are engineered to survive months of transport, not to taste like fresh dough and cheese. That freshly baked pizza smell that fills your living room? Believe it or not, many delivery workers say it's helped along by synthetic aroma sprays, designed to trigger hunger. Sure, their app is slick. The tracker works. The delivery is fast, but you can't digitize flavor. Domino's has become the McDonald's of pizza: fast, convenient, and soulless. One food critic nailed it. Domino's tastes like pizza designed by an algorithm. Efficiency has replaced authenticity, and customers can taste the difference. Now let's talk about Little Caesars, home of the famous hot and ready. Once loved for being cheap and quick, it's now, well, just cheap. The crust has turned paper thin. The sauce is overly sweet. Some even say it tastes metallic. And the pepperoni? One viral tweet called it shriveled discs of salt. The problem? Most of these pizzas are made hours in advance. They sit under heat lamps, waiting, drying out, until someone picks them up. What used to be the go-to budget comfort food is now a dehydrated, overcooked imitation of real pizza. It is a sad example of how the fast and cheap model has ruined something that used to feel homemade. But hey, it's not all bad news. There are still a couple of pizza chains that respect what pizza should be. Papa Murphy's and Blaze Pizza are the rare exceptions in this sea of shortcuts. Papa Murphy's lets customers take and bake at home, so you know exactly what's going into your oven. The ingredients are fresh, transparent, and customizable. No mystery sauces, no chemical fillers. And then there's Blaze Pizza, the modern-day artisan chain. You can actually watch your pizza being made from scratch. The dough stretched, the sauce spread, the toppings fresh. Real ingredients, real kitchens, real pizza. While the big four are chasing profits, these two are keeping the spirit of American pizza alive. America. It's time to wake up. We deserve better than low-grade cheese and recycled sauce. We deserve freshness, honesty, and food that respects us. So the next time you reach for that delivery app, ask yourself, are you paying for dinner or for a corporation's shortcuts? Vote with your wallet. Support the places that care about quality. Stop feeding the ones that don't. If you found this video eye-opening, give it a like and share it with a friend who loves pizza. And if you enjoy saving money on food, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next EatFrame guide. Because here at EatFrame, we don't just eat, we expose what's really on your plate. Thanks for watching. And remember, real pizza doesn't come from a corporate freezer. It comes from passion, ingredients, and honesty.